Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert the figure reference in Word document. First, you need to click on the insert and click the picture and select the device where you have a picture. For example, this one picture. Make it resize and click on layout option and make it square and place where you want it. For example, here. And now right click and click on the insert caption. And in the caption, you need to give the caption figure 1 and now type your description. For example, figure 1 colon nature landscape and click OK. Make sure you should select the label figure and the position below selected items and now click OK. Now the figure is labeled so you can link it to from your paragraph. Place your cursor where you want the reference to appear. For example, you want to put the reference at the bottom of the page. And this is the page number 3. You can type it. For example, open the bracket as shown in dot 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 double quote, close the bracket. And also put the double quote over here. And now go to the reference tab on the top ribbon and click the cross reference. So in the windows that opens, you need to select the figure. Reference type, you should mention figure. And in the insert reference to click on this arrow and select only label and number. This prevents the entire long caption from appearing your sentence. And make sure insert as hyperlink box should be checked. And now click insert and close it. And when you hover your mouse over to the figure, you will see that current document control plus click to follow the link. So you need to press the control and click it and your cursor will automatically move to the reference link. Similarly, you can insert another picture. Go to the insert and click on the picture from this device. Layout option, square, place the picture, right click, click on the insert caption, select figure 2, figure, click OK to proceed and type the description, for example, landscape tree, and now place the cursor where you want to link it. For example, and go to the reference, click on the cross reference and now should be select figure only label and number, insert as hypertext, and now this time figure 2 landscape tree, click on insert and close it. And here you can see that when you hover your mouse to the figure 2 it will automatically move to the picture. So this way you can easily insert figure reference in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.